Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for August 3rd to the 15th. For August 3rd to the 7th, this is what we're forecasting. We have a strong ridge here over the Northeast Pacific. We have a strong ridge here over the west, trough here in the Mississippi Valley, and we have a fairly strong ridge 594 DM over the western Atlantic. Miles a good agreement with this. Eventually, I'm going to show you this trough weakens as we go to the period, as this ridge builds into the southeast and portions of the east coast. During this period, we're expecting a moist flow of air. And, well, first of all, a moist flow of air over the northwest will increase the chances of rain early next week. Diurnal activity is forecast for the Four Corners. In the east, the wet pattern will continue across the southeast Mississippi Valley and northeast due to the trough. As this trough here, the ridge here that's centered here over the western Atlantic and the trough further off to the west will fuel moisture into this region. Now, this is rainfall on 6-hour periods, and I'm going to go put this in motion. And you can see it's mostly scattered. And then we look at, this is a GFS, and then we look at the European. And here's the European deterministics. We'll go back. And they're more, I would say, bullish with the rainfall amounts. So, this is what we're expecting. And then with that rain, below normal temperatures are forecast for the northwest, southeast, and to the mid-Atlantic, like I said before, due to the clouds of precipitation. And above normal temperatures are forecast for the northern and central plains, or the Great Lakes, and to the northeast. The period for August 6th to the 10th, the flow de-amplifies here, as you can see, and then we go to the 10th. This is what we're mostly expecting. We have a trough here. Here's our strong ridge over the Northeast Pacific. And we have our zonal flow that flows across the northern U.S. with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. So the models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, with anomalies up to 12 degrees above normal. And the greater anomalies are forecast in the west for precipitation. I am forecasting above normal precipitation here and for this region, and forecasting the chance of occurrence of 45 to 55%, and we have below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, but the probability of occurrence of 35 to 45%. For August 11th to the 15th, go to 11, we're not expecting much of a change. We still have our trough here, strong ridge off to the Northeast Pacific, and we have above normal heights here in the east. Now, this is one change in the models. This is GFS, has a strong ridge over the Ohio Mississippi Valley, while the other models have a more broader, weaker ridge across much of the nation. That's the name here, but still above normal heights in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, and I don't know what happened to my maps, I had them up before, above normal temperatures from much of the country, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. Again, the highest anomalies here in the west. And for precipitation, forecasting above normal, below normal precipitation for much of this area here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation here and for this region here. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 3rd to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.